Hey there, this is JoJo from 7th Plane Healings and ASTROJO.com with your ASTROSONICS, where we go on a cosmic sound journey together. And today we're tuning into the powerful alignment of Saturn, which is conjunct Neptune in Aries. And it's a celestial dance between structure and dissolution, reality and illusion. And this aspect invites deep spiritual restructuring. It's asking us to break down limiting beliefs and build new foundations, guided by our intuition. So if you stick around, we'll explore the depths of these cosmic alignments, followed by a special planetary tuning fork session designed to attune your energy to the fiery Aries wisdom and Saturn Neptune's transcendental influences. So we have Saturn in conjunction with Neptune in Aries, and this is a rare meeting of practicality and mysticism. So it's urging us to bridge dreams with discipline. And the energy is shaped by key aspects that create profound cosmic web. So we have the Saturn conjunct Neptune in square aspect to Jupiter in Cancer, bringing expansion. Expansion clashes with structured spirituality, urging us to balance optimism with grounded faith. And again, we also have this Saturn-Neptune conjunction in sextile with Uranus, which is in Gemini. It's just about to go into Gemini, actually. Uranus, right at the tail end of Taurus. So bringing in innovation and intuition, merging our innovation with and our intuition, and providing opportunities for breakthroughs in personal and collective awareness. We also have Saturn conjunct Neptune, sextile Pluto in Aquarius. Deep transformation flows harmoniously with spiritual reconstruction, enhancing the power of visionary changes. So this transit asks us to trust the unknown while consciously shaping our reality, making it an ideal time for manifestation rituals, inner work, and intuitive exploration. So let's align with the frequencies of Saturn's stabilizing wisdom, Neptune's dreamy-like transcendence, the word I can't say, Jupiter's expansive optimism, Uranus's radical insights, and Pluto's transformative depths. These vibrations create a harmonic resonance, allowing us to anchor spiritual vision while embracing practical reality. So if you join me on this sacred sound journey, allowing your mind and body to attune to these cosmic frequencies, just take in a deep breath and release. Take in another deep breath and just letting go, bringing your awareness to your heart, softening into a deep relaxation as you bathe in the frequencies of the spheres. And today's affirmation is: I trust the flow of the universe. I integrate dreams with reality and wisdom with intuition. I trust the flow of the universe. I integrate dreams with reality and wisdom with intuition. So take a moment to integrate these planetary energies, feeling balance and harmony within. And if you're ready to experience the transformative power of a personal planetary tuning fork sound alignment, tailored to your natal chart or to your transits, the current transits that are happening to your natal chart, or both, check out the links in the description below, or visit ASTROJO.com to begin your journey into cosmic resonance and inner harmony. And explore my frequency imprinted pendants if you're interested at seventhplanehealings.com, and find out how vibrational frequencies can support your energy field. And thanks for joining me on this cosmic sound adventure. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, sign up for my newsletter if you haven't done already, and to stay in tune with future cosmic sound experiences. And let's tune into the universe together.